die. Is it what I think it is? No, it's not what I think it is. I thought it was interesting for you guys. But... Maybe I should have bought a belt sander anyway. I think I'm gonna just accept that. I have no idea what it is. I think it's maybe from when they cut the wood. Because it's already in there, like these vertical sort of groove thingies. I think it's from the planer that the guys use to plane this wood. Now it almost needs to be planed to get it out of here. You see it here also. It's like all these vertical like grooves. And the only way you can really get that out is with a belt sander. I think I'm gonna accept it the way it is though. Especially when there's a little bit of treatment over there. I don't know, maybe the treatment even like accentuates it. At least I know that after a couple of weeks I'm not gonna see it anymore. Unless I look specifically at it. And I don't care what other people think, so. You think it's good enough, Zoe? I do care what Zoe thinks about it. Hi, sweetie. Zoe thinks, can I go inside already? Human. Ooh, small stretch. Tea. So yesterday I was also sanding till late. I was drinking coffee all the time. And then like 10:30, 11 or 11 o'clock I wanted to go to bed. And I couldn't sleep. So then I got out of bed again and I think I sat in front, like here, in front of the TV for like 2 more hours or so. So basically the problem with these beams is also that they've been laying outside here for 2 years. For one, because I thought I would use them earlier. I think I said to Melanie from Home Key Portugal, like, how long, she asked, like, how long do you expect to take to replace the roof? And I think I said, like, in the beginning, like 3 or 4 months or something. But eventually those beams were in the garden for 2 years. And although I covered them up, they eventually got a little bit like molded and stuff. So that's why now it's quite a job to get it all off again. And the other part here I did almost directly, and that beam is nearly perfect. But the other one, yeah. If I can give some advice, if you do a roof of a house, like do the whole roof at once. I didn't want to do it because I was living in one part of the house, but I should have just moved into a caravan or something, because it would have been a lot easier to do it all in one time and faster. Although it all worked out, but it's a little bit more work like this. Lessons for the next house. I bought one of these sanding blades for this oscillator thing, in the hopes I would be able to get like in the corners. But if I look at the other one here, it doesn't make much of a difference. Almost got it actually. Actually, I still gotta fill this whole thing up a little bit here. So it's like in line with the wall here. So that's lucky. Finished. No, I still need to do there are 2 corners. And then I still need to do also under the beams there, because that was able to reach. Well, not here in the front, but in the back. It works pretty well actually for the corners. I tried this thing before and then I was not excited about it, but like here in the corners it works perfect. At some point we have to call it good enough. I think the big beam is done, guys. Remind me next time to sand the beams before they go up. And put some sort of protection on it. Because like even on the top of this beam, where it was like very dusty, there's like a whole sort of layer set into the wood, like sort of a dust layer. Luckily it's up there, so you don't see it. Yeah. You're still guarding the land. Who's that barking in the distance? Yoga with obstacles. There's another obstacle here for the mindfulness. Also, Akira covered me with some dirt. What are you so excited about? People in the ghost town? Are there people in the ghost town? Yeah, the semolina I made yesterday, like porridge from semolina. It always makes me like very sleepy. So that worked. It's like chocolate milk. I also get sleepy from chocolate milk. Hot chocolate. I don't think it's the milk though, because I drink hot milk all the day. Guys, we need to do a little bit more sanding today. Hopefully this will be the last of the sanding. Hopefully. Pancake time. You know what time that is, right? Mostly when it's pancake time, we need to go shopping. This is a very fat pancake. This way, girls. There you are.